Hi, it's Pavel with a daily programming homework. Today it's going to be Java, and it's going to be very simple. We're supposed to write a program that sums cubes of two integers. In other words, the user will enter two integers. We will do the cube of each of them and then add them together. Alright, let's do that. First, since there's going to be a user input, we need to get the scanner. So we're gonna import java.util scanner, and in order to do the calculations we will need number 1, number 2. Those are gonna be integers that the user enters, and something that will hold the calculation. So it's going to be integer num1. I'll initialize it to 0. Integer num2. I'll initialize it to 0. And I'll do double for cube in case the numbers get real high, but I don't think they will. But whatever, we can do double. Equals 0. Now we'll ask the user to enter the numbers. So system dot out dot print line. Come on. Print line. Please enter first number, and we will hold this number in number 1. So number 1 equals scan dot next int. Oh yeah, well, before we use that scanner we need to first initialize the object. So scanner scan equals new scanner, and it's going to be system.in for the input only. Alright, that's better. Now we'll do the same for number 2. It's gonna be print line, please enter second number, and store it in number 2 equals scan dot next integer. Okay, so we have the two integers. Now we will add them together, but before we do that we need to get the cubes. So our cube, well, I need to hold it somewhere. Yeah, that's gonna be the cube equals and we use the math class, and it will hold the number 1, and it will hold power of 3 because it's a cube. And oh, we have to do the same for the second one and add them together, right? So it's math dot, and it's gonna be number 2 this time, and it's gonna be 3 again because the power of 3 will give you the cube. Alright, and let's output it. So system dot out print line, cube of let's say number 1 and number 2 equals, and it equals cube, because that's where our calculation is being stored. Alright, let's check it out. Please enter first number. I don't know, 3. Isn't the second number 4, and the cube is 91. So the cube of 3 is 3 times 3 is 9, so it's 18. 18 plus 4 times 4 times 4 plus 18 plus 82. 4 times 4 times 4 plus 64. 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27. I need to go back to elementary school, I think. It is 91 together. Not my best day today, that's for sure. Alright, let's try a different number. Something higher maybe, like 2 digits. Let's say 11 and I don't know, 15. Let's do that. 11 times 11 times 11, 1331 times 15 times 15 plus 1331, 4706. Yep, so it's working. Alright, so this is how you add cubes of 2 integers together. Hope it helped you. Leave a comment below. Don't forget to like if you liked it. Don't dislike it if you didn't like it. Just kidding. Do whatever you want. And you know what? One thing we forgot, or I did, was scan that close. We don't want to keep it open, and we don't use it anymore. That's a good practice. I don't think anything broke. So let's see, just to make sure. 3 and 4. Still 91. Anyway, like I said, this is how you do the basic calculations, how you use the math class, and I hope it helped you. And I'll see you next video. Take care.